Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin seeking bullish trend. Bitcoin will become independent from its correlation with the traditional market. XRP rises while awaiting trial against SEC. TerraForm Labs co-founder to appeal against court decision to extend his detention. More than 636,000 ETH have been lost forever. EULER finance hacker returns part of stolen loot. NFT trader accidentally burns $129,000 cryptoping.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin seeking bullish trend. Bitcoin is close to confirming a new bullish trend according to analyst Direct Capital, who points to a key monthly close. BTC price is mimicking past cycles and is about to leave its bear market. BTC's monthly candle will close above the downtrend line to confirm a new bullish market, says Direct Capital. The low point of BTC's cycle occurred in November 2022, after the FTX debacle, when the price hit $15,600. BTC's price action continues mostly flat, with a rise above $28,000, though the price is back below that level. Weekend exchange behavior affects liquidity and can more easily move spot price. The $28,600 level is the breakout level, while $33,000 is leaning as the important reversal point, according to trader Crypto Chase. Thus, we could see a rise up to $33,000 in the coming weeks, then correct. Bitcoin will become independent from its correlation with the traditional market. Analyst believes that Bitcoin will become independent from the traditional market in the event of a global economic crisis. Fausto Botello, with over 40 years of experience in the market, said that a major global economic crisis could be the catalyst for this separation. Despite Bitcoin showing correlations with stock indices such as the S&P 500, Botello remains confident that it will become the next global reserve asset. In his opinion, people will seek a safe, strong, and scarce asset in the event of an economic crisis, and Bitcoin could stand out for its characteristics. Botello also claims that the dollar will continue to lose prominence in the global economic scenario, and that multiple currencies will set the pace in the global financial system. The analyst spoke at BitConf 2023, which features more than 20 conferences on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and Web 3.0 in Sao Paulo. XRP rises while awaiting trial against SEC. The price of XRP is increasing and social media mentions are surging while Ripple defends itself in its case against the SEC. Mentions of Ripple on social media are growing, and the price of XRP has surged. XRP has seen a 105.9% increase in social engagements and a 26.4% increase in social mentions. The XRP community has been actively promoting the token on social media due to its case with the US SEC. Ripple recently filed a new motion for its fair notice defense. The founder of Messari believes that the SEC's case against XRP is an overreach. XRP has surpassed other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Cardano, and Dogecoin. The value of XRP has risen in the last 24 hours to reach 46 cents, bringing its market capitalization to $23.6 billion. TerraForm Labs co-founder to appeal against court decision to extend his detention. TerraForm Labs co-founder, Do Kwon, will reportedly appeal the decision of the Montenegrin court to extend his detention for 30 days following his arrest for using false documents. A legal representative of Kwon confirmed the appeal against the Montenegrin court's decision to hold the businessman for longer than usual due to the possibility of flight. Montenegrin authorities normally grant a detention period of up to 72 hours. Do Kwon has been suspected of moving between Singapore, Dubai, and Serbia after the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. Additionally, U.S. prosecutors in New York charged the businessman with fraud on March 23, hours after his arrest in Montenegro. More than 636,000 ETH have been lost forever. More than 636,000 ETH, valued at over $1.1 billion, have been lost forever due to human errors in handling cryptocurrencies, according to a report by Coinbase Director of Product Strategy and Trading Operations, Connor Grogan. Most of the funds were lost in a bug present in the crypto wallet parity, which affected about 178 addresses and resulted in the loss of around 514,000 ETH in 2017. Another case is the amount of Ethereum that has been lost due to typos made by users. There are also funds housed in wallets that have become inaccessible and assets sent to burn addresses. Grogan clarifies that this figure is much higher than he anticipated in his report. Euler Finance hacker returns part of stolen loot. The Euler Finance hacker has returned 51,000 Ether stolen from the protocol. This caused the price of EULER tokens to surge by 47%. The attacker still holds some of the stolen assets, including DAI, BTC, STUTH, and USDC. The $196 million theft was the biggest DeFi hack of 2023. The hacker sent a message asking for a deal with Euler shortly after the hack. Euler had previously attempted to negotiate with the hacker. At the same time, they offered a $1 million reward for any information leading to their capture. NFT trader accidentally burns $129,000 CryptoPunk. An NFT trader accidentally burned a CryptoPunk he purchased for 77 Ethereum by sending it to a burn address. The CryptoPunk was permanently removed from circulation since burn addresses can only receive assets and can't be retrieved. The buyer, Brandon Riley, attempted to wrap the NFT to obtain a loan, but entered the wrong address, resulting in the loss of the CryptoPunk. CryptoPunk 685 was worth approximately $129,000 at the time of purchase, according to EtherScan. Riley's mistake is an example of the challenges of the digital assets industry due to complexity and irreversible nature of transactions.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking